All right, now that we've finished preparing our butternut squash, caramelized onion, and lemon thyme filling and pureed it in the food processor, we've put about a teaspoon of the filling in the middle of each of these wonton pasta wrappers. This is the cheater way to make ravioli that allows you to not have to make your own pasta. The only downside is that this pasta is much thinner than it would be if you had rolled it out. So you can see it's a little bit tough to pull apart. But as long as you're careful, it should work out okay. This dough is even stickier than usual because I didn't make them as quickly as I had hoped to, so I ended up freezing the dough and seeing if I could thaw it out and then use it. I don't recommend that. These are much easier to pull apart if you haven't done that. There we go. Now we have one of the wrappers. Okay, so what I do to finish up this ravioli is to take a little bit of room temperature water here, dip my finger in, and then just moisten the edge of the bottom wrapper. This is going to be the glue that holds the top and the bottom together and prevents the filling from leaking out. And then I take my top piece of pasta and I lie it down, centered as best I can, with one side down before the other. And the reason I'm holding up the other side is to prevent there from being an air bubble. If you have an air bubble in your pasta, a big air bubble, then the filling will explode out of it when you cook it. And obviously that will make a mess and will not be what you want. So then, once I get to the edge, finish sealing it up, I smooth the outside down one last time. And there I have a ravioli. How I'm going to finish this off is I'm going to take a big kitchen skillet and I'm going to fill it with salted water, bring that to a rolling boil, turn it down so it's just a gentle boil, and then gently drop each of the raviolis into that and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes at the most. Basically, you just need to get the fresh pasta done, so you just cook them as long as it says to cook them on the back of the package of the wontons. And then I'll remove them, and I'm going to drizzle this with some fresh sage that's been fried in some good olive oil, and then we'll have our butternut squash, caramelized onion, lemon thyme ravioli tossed with sage fried in olive oil, all ready to serve. You'll look like you made some amazing dish and everyone will be very impressed. So thanks again for watching videos at chefinresidency.com. Check out the website for the full recipe and more pictures and instructions on how to make the rest of this dish.